Hello everybody, today I want to show you how you can run a dedicated server of PalWorld the easy way. It's a Dockerized application with a dashboard you can see on the right. All you need is an old machine where you can run, for example, Ubuntu and install Docker and finally run the image with the server inside. I will show you step by step how you can do this. On the left side I have my terminal where I connected to a little machine. On the right side you will see what you get, and here is the repository where everything is documented, how you get it running. So first we look at a machine. You will see it's quite weak machine. I have 2 cores, 4 threads and 8 gigs of RAM. But let's start. I just copy and run the commands. So this sets up, this basically cleans up everything. Then we set up the keyring and a repo. After that we will install the Docker engine. Now we need to create some directories for the backup and config to live in. After this we have to change the permission of the files so the user inside the container can work with them. Then we need to create a configuration file for the server. Now we copy the configuration data inside of it, and I highly recommend to edit it now. So we will change the public IP. This is the local host. This will not work most of the time, except you are at home and using a LAN setup. I will use the public IP of this machine. I hope this is right. And I also will change the admin password. Let's have a look. This is here. Let's make it very secret. So Ctrl O to write it and Ctrl X to leave it. After this we have to change the permission again of the config file in this case. Now we need to download the repository. Okay. I did mess up, but this isn't a problem at all. I will fix it. Oh, I guess, yeah. Now we have to change the directory to it. Create a config file. Not created, edit it. This is for the container, and this is for the dashboard. Use a strong password, not secret. Exit it out. Now we need to copy the configuration file so the container knows what to do. Now we have to build the container. This will take up to 15 minutes on this machine. Let me have a look now on what went wrong here. Git clone, HTTPS, get up. Yeah, the issue with this. So we'll fix this on this side here. Let's go to this. Let's remove it and just say, that's okay, you're in another step. So say change directory. 1, no, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a shell command. Make it this way. Save it. Commit split command. Okay, let's go back to this and open this. It takes some time. I will also do this here. Say the same. Split command, and push it. Yeah, this will take some time. While we're waiting, let's have a look on the Docker file. First we pull from Ubuntu 2020.04, update everything, set up some stuff we need like nano to edit files, Python pip to install the dashboard. I need ls off because to stop the server we need to kill the process, and this is a way we will grab it. You can read everything about it in the code. So next we create a user Steam, then we set up the home directory because we are lazy, expose some ports we need. The 8211 is for the game and 8221 is for the dashboard. Keep in mind that 8211, the game port, will need to be forwarded on UDP and the other one TCP. After this we install the Steam CMD, and we have to agree the license, set up the language. After this we will link some broken links, yeah, because install isn't working that nice, or I do it wrong, I don't know. So I had to do some messing around. After this we will log into Steam anonymously and update or install the server for the first time. After this, linking again. Then we install all the requirements needed to run the dashboard, copy everything inside the container. Then we will modify the run file, so basically the shell can be executed. You know what I mean. After this we will change some ownerships for the folders so we can properly back up stuff. Now let's have a look. Let's execute the last command to spin up the container. And it's running, and now we should see our PalWorld server manager. Let's have a look here. Docker logs f PalWorld. And let's start the server. This will not work because we are not logged in. There is a simple authentication in the background just to be safe, and we say password. No, maybe I got secret. Admin secret, yeah, that's weak. Looks good, and now we can start the server. This will take some seconds, but it's pretty fast. Let's start the game to test it. Don't get worried about issues displayed there. It's still early access, so it's working, but there are some issues. So, do I remember it correct? Let's have a look. Oh, I probably know what I did wrong. Let's have a look. It's secret, and this looks okay. There's my export. Oh. Did I have something wrong in my PalWorld? Let's have a look here. Admin password is very secret, and my public IP, yeah, it's wrong. Should be 7.9. I hope. Oh, I need to restart the server for this to happen. And you also could have done it here, but yeah, I see an error and I default to the console. That's the kind of guy I am. Are we running? No. We need to run it. Seven nine 222 and now we are connected. I apologize for this little typo, but this happens. And basically this is probably most of the issues or errors happen to you setting up, so you saw it live and how to solve it. But there's also a troubleshoot section inside of the repository. Yeah, and now have fun playing. And thanks for watching, I guess.